40,000. Equation is balance. Nothing on the right side. 40,000, 40,000 plus 40,000 minus 40,000. 0. Right, guys?
Yes.
Ethan? Coco?
So it's like the amount on the left should be equal to the amount of the right. That's what you mean, right?
Equation should be balanced. Yes, of course. Right? Amount of right hand side must be equal to left hand side. Amount of left hand side must be equal to right hand side, because this is a equation, not some kind of approximation. This is exactly equal to this one. Ali, you get it?
Understood.
Yep.
Ploy, Nimesh, Lota?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do we have Ethan? Yes, Ethan, understand? Okay. Now transaction 3. See, on the same equation, now we have 2. Right? So equation is balanced. Third transaction. A business buys supplies on account, agreeing to pay 3,700 within 30 days. What does it mean? What does it mean?
Supplier becomes 3,700 and accounts payable 3,700 as well.
Well done. Because company cash increase or decrease? No. Why? Because we didn't pay cash. It's on account. On account means on credit. Since this is payment on credit, it means you purchase, not you sold, you purchase supplies and agreeing to pay, right? So supplies increased, supplies increased. On the other hand, account payable increased. And that is your liability, because you will be paying after 30 days, not receiving. If receiving, that would be account receivable. So look at here. Supplies increased, accounts payable increase. Any question? Okay. Transaction 4. Fred has received 7,000 cash by providing services for customers. Now, you told me what should we do with transaction 4. Write it down, transaction 4 here. So what is the given side? What is the receipt side here? Fred has received 7,000. So cash increase.
7,000 and then retained earnings increase 7,000 as well.
Provide services for customer. Provide services, it means that is revenue. Right? Revenue increase or decrease?
Increase.
Well done. Right? So equation is balanced because cash is on the left hand side. Revenue belongs to retained earning, so retained earning increase as well. Right? So this is just
Okay. Understood.
Right, guys? Any question?
What's the difference between notes payable and accounts payable?
Just the difference is just for interest payment, that's it. On
Okay.
accounts payable, you said, okay, you are going to pay me after 30 days exact amount. That's it. In notes payable, you say that, okay, not only I will be paying you 3,700 for 30 days, but I will be also paying you 30 days interest. Maybe $20 as well, extra, because I'm using, your money. You can use that money for interest, so you can do that. So normally, when you have a good business relationship, you don't write notes payable, because business has some kind of trust and reputation. That's why. But this in businesses, in big businesses, it happens. Transaction 5. Now, Fridays repair a fleet of UPS delivery trucks, and the UPS promises to pay Fridays 3,000 within 1 month. Now, let me know what accounts need to be, you can say, increased. Again, Fridays repair fleet of UPS delivery trucks. So Fridays are auto incorporation. So they are repairing the trucks, and they repaired the trucks worth of 3,000, but payment will be coming after 30 days. So let me know which two accounts are going to be disturbed, are going to be affected. So is it cash? Is it cash? 3,000?
Is it accounts payable?
Remember, Kathleen, read one more time. Friday repairs a fleet of UPS delivery truck, and UPS promises to pay. Who is UPS? Who owns this truck? And who repaired the truck? Fridays. And Friday is basically auto repairman company, right? And this equation belongs to Friday or UPS? Fridays, right? So Friday will receive money after 30 days. So repairment is their sales, right? They sold their services against repair the delivery trucks, but their customer UPS, they said they will be paying after 30 days. So which two accounts?
Accounts receivable?
Well done. And
Retained earnings?
well done, because that is their sales, and sales are here. Revenue gonna be here plus 3,000 and plus 3,000 here, right? Got it? Everyone, please. Fabian, Chloe, Coco,
Yes.
Anis, Ali,
Yes.
Yep.
right? Good, good,
Yes,
good.
yes.
Transaction 6, very important. Now, Friday's Auto Service Incorporation pays 2,700 for the following expenses: rent, salary, utilities. Now tell me how we are going to record it. So question is silent whether this is, which, they paid. Question is silent. So what does it mean? Of course, if it is silent, no cash is mentioned. So remember that when they paid 2,700, it is they pay in form of cash. So this is obvious, right, guys? Because cash include all kind of stuff, whether they pay through check, whether they pay through coins, paper money, checking accounts, whatsoever. That is cash, bank account, cash, right? So when they pay cash, cash is decrease or increase?
Cash decrease
Well done.
and you say they pay cash, right?
So yeah, they pay cash. Cash for expense. Expenses are a part of retail earnings, right?
Yes.
So
Yes,
retail
yes,
earnings
yes.
increases or decreases?
Increase.
How? Retail earning formula is net income minus distribution, dividend, and net income calculated as revenue minus expenses, right? So if expenses increases, net income decreases. Net income decreases, revenue, retained earning decreases. So expenses basically decreases the retained earning. Right, guys? If you don't understand, please, you can just stop me. If you add all these, this must be, because equation must be equal to 2700. Right? Dorian?
Now understood. So cash is directly related to return earning. If I have minus in cash, I
Not
have
cash. Not cash. Expense.
okay,
Cash
expense.
is separate account. Cash is separate account and
Okay.
account of assets. Right? Expenses are separate account but under retained earning, and retained earning is separate account to measure honors equity. Cash is a separate account to measure asset activities. Understand? Now 7. Fridays pay 1900 on account, which means to make a payment towards accounts payable. It means Friday pay on account means credit. So Friday pays the credit. So it means Friday decrease their liability. And towards which account? Account payable. So account payable is decrease. Why? Because now claim of outsider is decreased. Why? Because business has paid 1900. And pay means they already pay cash, so minus 1900. So equation is balanced. Any question?
No question for me.
Now transaction 8. Now Freddie Kish, the major stockholder of Freddy's Auto Service Corporation, paid 30,000 from his personal account to remodel his home. So how we are going to record it?